All right, what are we doing?
He will be pleading no contest in case 0150 and 013. The basis of the plea is due to intoxication.
And the other cases dismissed.
Today, we are stepping inside a courtroom where things move fast and decisions carry weight. In just a few seconds, the tone is set, no delays, no small talk. The judge immediately gets to the point, and we learn the defendant is entering a no-contest plea tied to intoxication. That one detail quietly raises the stakes. You can feel this isn't just routine, it hints at a deeper issue beneath the surface. The speed of the exchange creates urgency. There's no build-up, just instant immersion into a serious legal moment. Pulls you in because you know something bigger is about to unfold. A clean, sharp opening that hooks attention without wasting a second.
All right. Very good. And Mr. Dorsman Swan.
Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do. Jacob John Dorson.
All
right. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty or pleading no contest to 2 charges. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. In the case ending in 150, you are going to be pleading to the charge of trespassing. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 30 days incarceration and a $100 fine plus court cost. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in the case ending in 130, you're also pleading to the charge of trespassing. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to, that's under the township ordinance. Yes, 30 days, $100 fine plus court cost. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. 2 things about it I have to make sure that you understand is that, first of all, it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest those charges. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Second thing is you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court is going to treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, and we have do you still wish to plead no contest?
Yes, Your Honor.
To the charge of trespassing as contained in case 150, how do you plead?
No contest.
That same charge as contained in the case ending in 130, how do you?
No contest.
You understand that by pleading no contest, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Please look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading no contest, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you on probation or parole?
No. I'm on.
Anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plea?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
Court has been provided in the case ending in 130. Pittsfield Township Department of Public Safety report for their case 262642. And in the other matter, in 150, Pittsfield Township Department of Public for their case 261633.
The defendant is sworn in, and every word now carries legal consequence. The judge methodically explains the charges, the penalties, and most importantly, the rights being given up. This isn't just paperwork. It's a point of no return. The defendant confirms everything calmly, but the weight of the decision is clear. No contest means no trial, no fight, just acceptance of what comes next. The repetition of "yes, Your Honor" shows compliance, but also tension beneath the surface. This is where reality sets in. A quiet but powerful moment where legal consequences become real and unavoidable.
Any objection to the court reviewing those reports?
No, Your Honor.
Sir, I do have to advise, upon a review of those reports, the court does find that there's factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of these offenses. Sir, I do have to advise you between the time of taking your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, that you would not be permitted to withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence or recommendation evaluations. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of no contest to these charges. The other matter cases ending in 2137 and 19129, those matters are dismissed pursuant to plea agreement. I guess what I was concerned about. And maybe counsel can help me, is this a reoccurring issue?
Your Honor, he has a sentencing scheduled before Judge Perry, I believe, on the 24th, Your Honor. So that he is, I believe, anticipating probation,
Yes.
so that his alcohol consumption and his behavior will be monitored by, I believe, Judge Perry.
Okay, and these offenses, I got it, okay,
I'm not aware of any further offenses after these cases.
gotcha.
They have me on a tether, released on a home confinement tether right now.
Right now,
Yes.
He
okay,
indicates that he's served approximately 12 days,
About 15 days.
15 days in custody.
on these cases,
Yes.
when is the sentencing before Judge Perry?
My sentence on the 24th of this month.
I think what I'm gonna do, and normally I may not do that in these cases, but I think I wanna have us take a look. So I'm gonna refer the defendant to probation for a pre-sentence interview. I'll set sentencing in these matters for
May 27th at 12 noon.
May 27, 2026, 12 noon. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks.
This is where things start getting deeper and more revealing. The judge reviews the reports and officially accepts the plea, but instead of ending there, the conversation shifts. Now we hear about alcohol issues, time already spent in custody, and monitoring through a tether. Suddenly, this case feels bigger than just trespassing. It hints at a pattern, not a one-time mistake. The judge pauses and chooses to delay sentencing, which signals concern. That decision alone adds suspense. It tells you the court wants a closer look before final judgment. This moment transforms the case from routine to something more layered and serious.
State your name when you get up here, Ahmed. Ahmed Isa.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, this matter we're requesting for a preliminary examination, please.
All discoveries complete.
Yes.
Will have the witnesses available to 28.
Your Honor, you know,
No, go ahead, sir.
you know, that's a terrible day for me, but I'll make, I'll make.
I
it
don't
work.
care.
I want my
I work. That's okay. No, go.
expediency is important for him for a couple of reasons. Let's just keep it there. Let's do the 12.
Will that work?
I'll make it up.
You will? All right.
No,
You want a different date, Mr. Simon? I mean,
I did, but the next available is the 5th. My client's going on his honeymoon on May 6th, which we're going to ask for permission to leave
Nope.
before. But we hope,
It's not doing it.
we hope,
No, you're
reach,
gonna blew right past it.
we hope this might reach a dispositive resolution on the 28th. That's why I think it's better to do it on the 28th.
Honeymoon?
Brother.
Oh, that's all right. Let's. Preliminary examination will be set April 28, 2026 at 9 a.m. before me.
Thank you.
And did you want to ask to go on that now or?
Yes, I think it's only appropriate. He's not actually going to a very elaborate destination, but he wants to leave the state from May 6th to May 18.
Yes.
Well, now we got to know where he's going.
We're going to Florida May 6th for my wife's graduation from UCF, and then from Florida, Orlando.
Central Florida?
Yes.
I hate them. They're the Knights, don't they? Okay, go ahead.
And on the 10th of May, we will go to
Where?
Antigua, an island.
Oh, yeah, oh, I know. Really?
Oh, okay.
I just didn't hear.
So the 18th.
All right, I will. So the dates are,
May 6th to May 18th.
so I will just indicate that the defendant may travel out of the state of Michigan from December 6th through the 18th. Those include your travel days, sir?
Mhm.
Okay. All right,
Thank you, Honor.
you're welcome.
You can go home. You can wait if you want.
Okay. Thank you.
Court calls the case of first John Lenz.
The courtroom takes an unexpected turn. A new case comes in and the energy shifts completely. Scheduling conflicts, a honeymoon, and even light laughter enter the scene. It's rare to see this kind of human moment in a courtroom setting. The judge balances professionalism with flexibility, allowing travel while still maintaining control of the case. It feels almost surreal compared to what came before. This segment reminds you that behind every case are real lives and personal moments. It's a brief reset, but it keeps the audience engaged by breaking the intensity with something relatable and slightly unpredictable.
Okay, Your Honor.
I have before me two plea forms. One indicating that in the case ending in 943, that the defendant will be pleading no contest to the charge of operating while intoxicated, the 93-day offense. And in the case ending in 161, defendant will be pleading no contest to the charge of operating while intoxicated, second offense, the 1-year offense. That is and upon those are pleading as charged. So that's the court's understanding.
That's my understanding, Your Honor.
That's correct.
All right, let's have her sworn.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth self you got.
Yes, I do.
State your name, please.
Hannah Kiesling.
All right, ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead no contest to two misdemeanor charges. First charge being operating while intoxicated as contained in the case ending in 943. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
You understand that? Yes.
All right. And in the other matter that you'll be pleading to the charge of operating while intoxicated second offense, that's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and a $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yeah, one of my hearing aids went out this morning, but if I put those on, it makes them squeal. So I'm doing the best I can.
All
Yeah,
right.
I'm good. I'm okay.
But you can hear what
I
I'm
can hear
saying?
you. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
On both of these cases, the court could order community service or any rehabilitative services the court deems necessary. The court could order your vehicle immobilized, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Two things about a no contest plea that you need to understand. First thing is it first of all means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest these charges. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court's going to treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Basis for the no contest plea.
Lack of regulation, Your Honor.
All right. Ma'am, in case ending in 943, to the charge of operating while intoxicated, how do you plead?
No contest.
And in the case ending in 1661, to the charge of operating while intoxicated, second offense, how do you plead?
No contest.
You understand that by pleading no contest, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Your Honor.
All right. You had signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Sign this? Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Please look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading no contest, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form. Bless you.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody given you, sorry, has anybody promised you anything to get you to plead to these charges?
No,
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
no.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
All right. Court has been provided in the case ending in 943, Pittsfield Township Department of Public Safety report for their case number 2410934. And in the other matter, I think that's right. No, I'm sorry. They got the wrong. That report number is actually on the case ending in 1661. And in the case ending in 943, the court was given the report, the Pittsfield Township Department of Public Safety report for the case, or for the case number 2415737. Any objection to the court having reviewed those reports?
No, Judge.
Based upon a review of those reports, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of these offenses. Counsel, well, ma'am, I do have to advise you that if you commit misconduct between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of
A second defendant steps in facing DUI charges, including a repeat offense. The tone shifts back to serious immediately. The penalties are heavier, the risks more severe, and the consequences more lasting. As the judge explains everything, you can sense the gravity of a second offense. This isn't just a mistake. It's a pattern being addressed by the court. The plea is entered, rights are waived, and the outcome begins to take shape. Mandatory programs and delayed sentencing show the system trying to correct behavior, not just punish it. A strong, impactful ending that leaves a lasting impression.
sentencing, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
Sure.
Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other instruments which have led to this plea?
It's on the record, Judge.
Right? And have I complied with the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have, Judge.
Court will accept the defendant's pleas of no contest to the charge of operating while intoxicated and operating while intoxicated second. Defendant is referred to Von Schwartz for an alcohol screening and assessment and the victim's impact panel. Sentencing in these matters will be.
May 27th at 12 noon.
Do I have a sentencing date before that?
Sure.
That's a month and a half out. That doesn't make any sense to me, not the way I sentenced. I have the 13th, May 13th, 2026 at 9.
Thank you very much, Judge. It's 13.
Oh my.
Yes, they don't call me.
Bond will continue with its conditions.
Thank you, Judge.